How to read music on the treble clef for piano players. Let's jump right into it. When you see written music, it seems scary, right? And you think it might be difficult to read. When you see things like this, you're like, oh, how do I know? How can I read something like this? All right. Well, it might not be as difficult as you think. Let me teach you a simple way to understand how to read music. The first thing you need to know is an empty music book will look like this, and this is called a manuscript. As you can see, it's more like an empty book that has 5 lines that are repeated, so 5 lines and 4 spaces repeatedly. So that's what is called the manuscript. So just like an empty notebook, if nothing is written on it, then there is nothing to read. As you can see, I'm sure you use something like this every time, an empty notebook. But when you write something on it, then there's something to read that will make sense to anyone reading. Like you see, we have an example here, so which is, how are you doing? Right? You will notice that the manuscript, which is the empty music book, consists of 5 repeated lines and 4 spaces in between these 5 lines. So let me scroll back. So look at that again. So these are the 5 lines that and the 4 spaces that are repeated. All right. So let's move on. The combination of these 5 lines and 4 spaces is called the stave, if you use the British name, or the staff if you use the American name. These 5 lines and 4 spaces, which is called the stave or the staff, is where music is written on. So I'm sure you're familiar with things like this. You should have seen something like this. So basically these notes are written in these lines and also in these spaces. So let's move on. If you want to see more videos like this and learn more, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button for more, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell icon and choose all. All right, and make sure you share this video. You have anything you probably want to learn or you don't understand in this video, type that in the comments, or videos that you'd like to see, type that in the comment. That way, that makes me realize that you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be able to create more free videos like this. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, check in the description to get my contact details on how you can contact me and start up. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you again. Bye for now.